Hello and welcome. This is Mudassir Afraz from civiltechnologyforyou.com, and today in this session I will teach you how to create table in AutoCAD. As you can see, this is the table and we will create same table here. So the table option is in annotation panel under home tab. This is the icon for table, or you can go here in annotate tab, and from here you can see one group, that is table. Okay, from here you can insert the table. I will just click on this drop down arrow and this is the option for table. I will just click on this one. Okay, left click, and then you can see this insert table dialog box will be open in front of me. Now from here you can make setting according to your need. For example, you can insert here columns. How many column do you need and how many rows do you need, and what will be the column width and what will be the row height. Okay, for example, right now as you can see we are going to create the same table. So rows here are 1, 2 and 3. Okay, and then after that there is header and title bar. Okay, so 3 rows, header and title bar. So whenever I will insert the table, the title bar and the header will automatically insert it. Okay, we have to just give rows and column. Okay, for example, I need what, 3 columns, 1, 2 and 3 columns. So I will just write here what, 3. Okay, 3, and then how many rows I need, 1, 2 and 3 rows. Okay, 3 rows and 3 column I need, so I will insert here 3. Okay, this is separate, this header and title bar is separate. Okay, it will automatically insert it. So now for now this column width is okay and column height is okay. If you want to just modify this one, you can modify as well from here. Okay, from these arrows, or you can write here. Okay, after that what I will do, I will just press OK. Now you can see the same table here. Okay, now I will just click on here. Okay, now I will just write here any of the heading here. Okay, so for example, I need a window schedule. Okay, I will write here window schedule. Okay, now I will just press tab key to move forward. Okay, from here I will just write here serial number, then again tab. Okay, description, then again tab key. Okay, and then that is quantity. Okay, now again tab key, and in serial number there is number 1, and then I will press tab key, and I need window 1. Okay, window 1, then tab key, and the quantity is 5. Okay, again tab key, number 2, that is what, window 2. Okay, window 2, and again tab key, and here quantity is 8. Okay, now again I will press tab key. Okay, then we need what, serial number 3, again tab key, and then window 3. Okay, and then what, quantity. So quantity here is 7. Okay, so this is how we can just insert text in the table. Now if you want to just modify this one, for example, I want this text in the middle. Okay, like this. So I will just select this column. Okay, I will go here, and here you can see one of the option, top right. From here I can just align the text. Okay, right now I need what, middle and center. Okay, so I will select this one. Now these text are aligned in middle. Okay, now for example, I want to align these as well, so I can just use match cell option. Okay, I will click on this one. Now I can use match option. Okay, for example, I want to match here. Okay, and I want to match here. I will click here. So, and I want to match here as well, here as well, and here as well. Okay, so this is very good option to work quickly. Okay, this is how we can insert the column and we can write the text in the column. Okay, I hope you understand this session. I will see you in the next.